Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite cinnamon roll recipe. This is one of my favorite recipes of all, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So the first step, you're going to pour 1 cup of milk into a measuring cup and then microwave it until it's boiled, and then you're going to set that aside to cool once you prepare all your other ingredients. So you're going to pour some warm water into a mixing bowl, and then for this recipe, you need some active dry yeast. Don't confuse this with the rapid rise yeast. So you're going to pour that yeast on top of your warm water along with some granulated sugar, and then whisk that until it's combined and let it sit aside for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can go ahead and add the cooled milk along with some melted butter, sugar, and then 1 cup of flour. You're also going to add some salt, and you want to make sure to put the salt on top of the flour so it doesn't immediately interact with the yeast, or else your rolls will not rise. So you're going to mix this on the mixer with the paddle attachment until it's nice and smooth. So after mixing, you can go ahead and add 2 cups of flour and then put this back on the mixer and mix until it's combined. And then once it's combined, you can go ahead and switch the dough hook and then knead that on medium-high speed for about 10 minutes. And as you can see with the kneading process, you go from this wet and tacky dough to a really nice elastic dough. So that is what you're looking for this recipe. So now you're going to take some canola oil spray a large bowl, put your dough in it, top it with some plastic wrap, and then set this aside in a warm place for about an hour until the dough is doubled in size. So after proofing, you can go ahead and take the plastic wrap off, punch your dough down, this is the most satisfying part, and then split this into 2 equal halves. So to make the filling, you're going to combine some brown sugar and cinnamon. So you're going to mix the 2 ingredients in the bowl and then set this aside. So now the rolling process, this is the most important step of the entire recipe. You're going to go ahead and punch the dough down, get any air bubbles out, and then I just stretch it by hand. You could totally do this with a rolling pin, but I just like doing it by hand until it's almost the size of the cutting board itself. So then you're just going to spread some softened butter on top of the dough, and once it's nice and evenly spread, you can go ahead and top that with the brown sugar and the cinnamon mixture. So just take the end of the dough furthest away from you and roll it towards you, and keep this roll nice and tight. So now you can cut the dough into 10 equal pieces, put this in a greased pan, and then let this rise again in a warm place for about an hour or until the rolls are doubled in size. So to make the glaze, you're going to go ahead and combine powdered sugar, melted butter, and some vanilla extract, and then you're just going to stir this together until it's a nice smooth glaze. So as soon as you take the cinnamon rolls out of the oven, you're going to go ahead and drizzle the rolls with the glaze and then serve them immediately while they're still warm. So that's pretty much it. That is my signature cinnamon roll recipe. So hopefully you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.